My name is Gerry Baumann. I'm a professor of medicine at Northwestern University. I'm an endocrinologist and specializing in growth hormone, IGF-1 and similar substances. In general, one of the main problems is insufficient preparation of the subject, insufficient reading of the literature, not knowing the background, the physiological background of many of these substances. Frequently, especially a problem with substances that are endogenous, such as insulin, growth hormone, IGF-1, and so on, or testosterone, where there's a lot of endogenous material already present, and how do you differentiate that from the exogenous is not a simple matter. Take that into consideration when you prepare your grant.